Software Spring. Presents. How to use query with where clause and contains operator in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on using the query function with the where clause and contains operator. Here is a request, please subscribe to this channel. Many thanks to everyone who have already subscribed. Alright, here is a quick intro to query. Query is a powerful and versatile function to extract data based on one or more conditions. Query can be used with where clause and contains operator to extract data if specified substring is present anywhere in the string. Query can extract data if you specify only the first few characters of substring or the entire substring. What is the syntax of the query function formula? The syntax is: data is the range from which to extract data. Query is the command to query the data. Headers is the number of header rows. Going forward, let's extract data if this column has the text personal finance. The query function formula for this task is: A3 to C10 is the data range from which to extract data. This command tells the query function to check if column A contains the text personal finance and extract all the data from the rows with the specified text. -1 for headers tells query to figure out the number of header rows by itself. Okay, let me type the formula. There you go. Query has extracted the data from the rows with the specified text. Now, assume you want to extract data if column A contains the text personal finance or financial management. For this task, use the OR operator. Here is the query function formula. Okay, let me type the formula. Alright, query has extracted the required data. Summary. Query is a powerful and versatile data extraction function. The query function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.